Hello everyone, how are you? I continue with trigonometric identities, questions based on them for class 10. First question is, prove that 2 secant square theta minus secant 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant 4 theta is equal to cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta. Right, so I have solved this by starting from the right hand side. Right hand side is cot 4 theta minus tan 4 theta, and this cot 4 theta can be written as square of cot square theta minus square of tan square theta. Right, now cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1, so square of this. Similarly, tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1, square of this. Now use the formula a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly here again use the formula. So we have cosecant 4 theta plus 1 minus 2 cosecant square theta minus secant 4 theta minus 1 plus 2 secant square theta. 1 will get cancelled and whatever we are left with, that was to be proved. So this is equal to the left hand side. Next is, prove the identity square root of 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. So again I start with the left hand side, square root of 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus sin theta, and if you remember, I had discussed in the previous video that whenever you have this form, we will rationalize. So I have rationalized the denominator, I have multiplied and divided by 1 minus sin theta. So in the numerator we have 1 minus sin theta whole square, and in the denominator we'll have a square minus b square, that is 1 minus sin square theta. Now this numerator as it is. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta, right? Now in the numerator as well as denominator you have squares, so square root and squares will get removed. This is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. Divide both by cos theta, so we get 1 over cos theta minus sin theta over cos theta. So this is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. This we had to prove. Next is, prove the identity cos 6a plus sin 6a is equal to 1 minus 3 cos square a sin square a. Right, so left hand side I am starting with cos 6a plus sin 6a, these are the powers. Now this can be written as cube of cos square a plus cube of sin square a. Now important is here I will be using this formula, a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Right, if you use this formula it will become easier. So put the values, a and b, they are cos square a and sin square a. So cos square a plus sin square a whole cube minus 3 cos square a sin square a into cos square a plus sin square a. Now cos square a plus sin square is 1, so cube of 1 minus 3 cos square a sin square a into 1, that is equal to 1 minus 3 cos square a sin square a. Next, again an important question. Prove the identity 1 over cosecant a minus cot a minus 1 over sin a is equal to 1 over sin a minus 1 over cosecant a plus cot a. Right? Now, I am solving this by grouping the similar terms. Right? These two are similar, these two are similar. So, group the similar terms on one side. So, on grouping similar terms, we get 1 over cosecant a minus cot a plus 1 over cosecant a plus cot a is equal to 1 over sin a plus 1 over sin a. Take LCM here. So a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square, and in the numerator when this will get multiplied with this with this. So cot a will get cancelled. You have 2 cosecant a over cosecant square a minus cot square a, and if you take LCM here, sin a is the LCM, so 2 over sin a. Now this is 1, cosecant square a minus cot square is 1, right? So 2 cosecant a is equal to 2 cosecant a, which is true. Now students, actually because of lack of time I am proving these questions from my own book which I have written, right? So next question is, if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, show that m square minus n square is equal to 4 root mn. Right? Now LHS is m square minus n square. Put the value of m and n and use the formula a plus b whole square in both, here a plus b whole square and here a minus b whole square, and simplify, right? So we get tan square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 tan theta sine theta, and minus signs will change, minus tan square theta minus sine square theta plus 2 tan theta sine theta. Then so left hand side is 4 tan theta sine theta. Now right hand side is 4 root mn. Again put the values of m and n. So a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square, right? Now change this tan square theta. This can be written as sine square theta over cos square theta, and this as it is. Take LCM. So cos square theta is the LCM. It will get multiplied with this. So we have 4 into square root of sine square theta minus sine square theta cos square theta over cos square theta. In the numerator, sine square theta is common. So we have sine square theta into 1 minus cos square theta over cos square theta. This is equal to 4 sine square theta into sine square theta over cos. Now see, here in the left hand side I need 4 tan theta sine theta. So sine square theta over cos square theta will be tan square theta, and this sine square theta as it is. So we have, when you take the square root, you get 4 tan theta sine theta. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So last question for today is, if x is equal to a sine a cos c, y is equal to a sine a sine c, z is equal to a cos a, show that a square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So I'm starting with the left hand side, x square plus y square plus z square. Put the values of x, y and z. This is a here, a bit of misprint. A sine a cos c whole square plus a sine a sine c whole square plus square of a cos a, right? So taking the squares, we get a square sine square a cos square c, a square sine square a sine square c, and a square cos square a. I have taken a square common from all, right? So we are getting sine square a cos square c plus sine square a sine square c plus cos square a. Now from these two, what is common? Sine square a. So we have into cos square c plus sine square c, that will be 1 plus cos square a as it is. So now because this is 1, so I have a square into sine square a plus cos square a. Again this is 1. So we get this is equal to a square. That is equal to the left hand side. All these questions which we have discussed today, they are all important. I hope you have understood. Thank you.